traveled in a few weeks and now I'm going to England for about a week or so. Very excited to connect a little bit more with my European audience. Do some. We're going to go to London as well for some TV interviews and do meetups as well. So if you guys are in London, anyone in London or in the UK for that matter, if you happen to be in London, April 18th, join us for a meetup. First drink is on me, so I got to finish some packing here. All right, so I'm pretty much ready to go to the airport. But before we do that, there's actually 3 stocks that I want to quickly highlight to you guys that continue to work well, very well from a trend following perspective. That just came to my mind. Just had an email exchange with a client who kind of brought this whole trend following thing to my attention. So let me quickly go through 3 stocks: Apple, Facebook, and CRM, which is Salesforce.com, which continues to work very well from a trend following perspective. So one of the core things for me when it comes to trend following is to look for very well-defined trends. And in this case, for example, you have Salesforce.com. So every time it comes to the lower end of its ranges, right, you can see we tend to see these nice bullish reversals, and we can basically buy them for a bounce. So what we did in the first week of January is buy Salesforce.com as it came to the bottom of the range, gave us a strong bullish reversal, and now the stock is up about 15% year to date. So all you had to do is buy that bullish reversal. That's all you had to do, and respect that big trend. By my book, that's a pretty good trade. 15% in the first 3 months in one stock, that's not so bad. How about something like Facebook? You know, Facebook is kind of the same story. It came into early on in the year, it came into again the lower end of sort of a bigger picture range like this, and I've reiterated this thing in Facebook for some time. Week of the new year, and you can see we had the same kind of thing: strong bullish reversal at the bottom end of trend. And if you would have bought at the end of that week, which was one heck of a buy signal, just from a very simple trend following perspective, you would now at this point be up about 13-14%. You would have been up as much as nearly 17%. So just wanted to give you guys a quick perspective that stocks like a Facebook, like an Apple, which I know I didn't go through Apple now, but it's kind of the same story. Facebook, Apple, Salesforce.com, they continue to be nice to buy on dips. You don't want to chase these things at this point. You want to wait for consolidation, maybe wait for them to trickle back to the middle or the lower end of their ranges. Hope that makes sense, guys.